cat got a hold of the phone. What's your cat? Put 4 little
cat teeth
marks on it. I'll let you know. Okay. These 2 hands or 1, it don't matter.
You weren't kidding.
Sucker's off and gone. Power. Weather vane.
Flying good though.
Yeah, it is. I think I need something like that.
Whoa!
I think that was like 2 inches from the...
I thought it was going in.
Damn.
Be assured I will catch it if you do.
That was good.
Stronger than what I thought.
Wow.
What do you get for flight times?
4 or 5 minutes.
It's pretty good.
And it runs a lipo?
Yeah. It's like 2,200 bucks.
That's a good size.
That's cool looking. Looks like it flies real good.
Is it?
Now you can really see the blue hair in it.
It's scooting pretty good. I imagine on a calm day it really scoots.
Man, I like the fact you just plug it in and go.
Yep.
That's nice.
And you don't have to clean it up.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, yeah. I really like how
Flies great.
oh, got that.
doesn't like the loops, I guess.
Awesome.